it just went and stopped. So
you broke something.
Something has gone a little bit sideways, I think.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video from the Parrott Pros. I'm Rob, and this is
James from Foji Raceworks. Sorry, you're supposed to lead.
I'll lead you. We'll have this in.
I'm a bit. I'd like to take a bit of charge. So
that's all right. Take charge, mate. Jump in.
So the Parrott Bros have come down to us for this wonderful kit car that they've built. We're going to be sorting out the ECU and tuning, finalising any wiring bits, and then hopefully taking it for a spin.
Fingers crossed, first start and get it running.
Yeah, I'm sure it will. Yeah, I'm sure it will. Yeah, positive so far. So yeah, so far so good.
Before that then, let's jump into the intro and we'll come back and we'll see what we're going to crack on with. So the first job, guys, is we're just running in a lambda wire for the wideband controller. That's right, isn't it, James?
Yes, trying to feed this plug through here. So we've got a digital CAN lambda controller going in from AEM, so that we're able to run a nice closed loop fuel setup, keep it tight on the AFRs, and well, make any changes that you need to on the fly, basically. So yeah.
And one of the benefits is you can lose, is it the mass airflow meter from the...
Yeah, so you can strip down, just as a standalone ECU, you can take away the mass airflow sensor, and a load of the bulk of the factory loom that you don't need, that comes with a standalone. Obviously with a standalone as well, then you can run a wideband from AEM or whoever you prefer to use. The MS3 support CAN bus in, so we can run digital fueling, digital CAN in on the lambda sensor, to get real digital type closed loop fueling. So yeah,
nice.
It's definitely worth doing, especially when you're tracking it and you're like trying to get the most out of the fuel, the track day, and the power out of the engine. It just keeps everything really tight, whereas the factory stuff is a bit loose.
Nice one. So what we're doing now, we're just putting the CAN high and low.
So we're finalising the lambda controller wiring, just putting the CAN high and CAN low to the ECU, the DB37 pin. Once we've done that, we can sort of put power to it and start testing that when the CAN bus works, trigger out all the outputs that we need to, and then hopefully start to fire it up. We've got fuel in it, we've got to test for fuel leaks, etc., and just a few pre-flight tests, and then should hopefully be the first start up. Should be good.
That'd be good to get on camera then.
Yeah, hopefully no failures, and it all goes well. I'm sure it will. It looks all right now.
The laptop is plugged in.
Yeah, we're looking
all right.
Yeah, looking all right. We're just setting up the CAN parameters, so that we can start taking data from the controller, and then we can see the AFRs, because we're a gaugeless controller. We need it to be on the computer straight away, so that we can see where we're at when we first start up, to get the fueling ballpark, so that we can idle it for a little while. Once we've done that, we can check the base timing, set anything else up that we need to do, and then hopefully bleed the fluids and then take it for a drive. So.
Alright guys, it's the moment of truth. We have got the air temperature sensor done, we've got the lambda control done, we've plugged in, we've checked some settings and stuff, and now with you guys watching, this is going to be the first start. We're not YouTubing it, so it hasn't been started yet, and these guys can vouch for me.
Yeah, this is the first start.
It's a bit scary, I'm a bit worried, but
I'm sure it'll go.
What's that in the engine, mate? What's that? Oh no, you haven't pressed start yet.
As soon as it starts.
Yeah, that's it.
Fingers crossed then.
Right, ready? Oh gosh, no. There's no sync. Hold on.
Oh.
Well, that was failed.
That is the first start failed, so we will try again in a minute. So we're going to go for 50th time lucky after we've changed half the wiring and that. We change the injectors around, hopefully. I can smell fuel. Let's see if it'll fire. Hey, oi! Check it out, boys! it.
That sounds
What's
better.
that? What's that? What's that? Wait, come on.
Doesn't want to turn on. Is it brake again?
It shouldn't do. Should just press and hold it, I think. Just press and hold it.
It's a firm push. Okay, right.
There we
now
go.
need to-
Well,
Huh?
yeah, we're not recording. Oh no, we are recording. That was good.
Brilliant.
It wouldn't start. No, it did start, but it just wouldn't stop. But it did.
Yeah.
Just press and hold it. I think that switch is a little bit.
Yeah, you got to firmly.
I think you have to firmly
yeah,
press
you
it.
got to really commit to that
Yeah.
push.
I think I'm chuffed with that though. That sounded amazing.
Yeah, awesome.
That sounds really smooth.
Yeah.
On to the next thing.
Yeah, so it's base timing check, fill it with some fluids check and fill it with coolant, and then we can do some further tuning.
Nice.
That's not a good sight.
What's that? The seatbelts.
Yeah, me like fucking.
Trust me, I think they're just how they come, so they're quite tight. They're not the comfiest.
Tight in there, isn't it? There's not a lot of room.
It's a snug fit.
Yeah. Oh, there we are.
Little road test and off we go. That's because I'm in there. Sounds good, shame about the oil leak, but that's alright. Does sound really good. Yep, lost all my oil. Hopefully it ain't cut me out. Wicked guys. So we've had a little test drive. We found a few little issues with leaky seals. She's a little bit sweaty.
A little bit.
Probably should get them done before I lose half, before it self-services and we lose all of it.
Yeah.
But yeah, James has done a wicked job. He's just been tweaking all the fuel and that, and we took it for a spin out, and I've had a little drive, and it's freaking awesome.
It rips. Pretty pleased with it. Really drives really well for a home built car. He's done very well.
Apart from the leaky seals.
Apart from the leaky seals, but I mean that's the least of his concerns because it runs and drives and does all the things it needs to.
Yeah, pucker mate. But so these guys down at Foji, they do everything from sort of like custom exhaust servicing, like engine rebuilds. What else do you like?
We have engine conversions. We do full restorations of cars, like underbody restoration. We do lots of. So anything from just like rusty MX-5s to rusty vintage like BMWs, 70s, 80s BMWs. Loads of stuff. We put our hand to pretty much anything. Loads of bespoke work. Exhaust manifolds, exhaust engines, all sorts, roll cages. Anything motorsport based, we love it. So.
And you're based in Cornwall?
Yeah, Cornwall. We're in Liscard it's called. Tucked out of the way, which is nice. It's
Plenty
quiet.
of space.
Yeah, that's it. Plenty of space, quiet, nice. Just me and Will working away all the time, building something.
And if
Crazy.
people want to get in touch with you, it's like Instagram,
Yes.
Facebook.
So Instagram is live, Facebook is live. We haven't got a website, but our Instagram is our main source of promotion, I'd say. It's Foji Raceworks on Instagram.
We'll drop all your details down in the comments below.
Awesome,
but,
thank you. Yeah.
That'd be cool. And hopefully it'll be coming to an IVA station near you soon.
Yeah. It'll be done.
Yeah,
Awesome.
I think we'll have to keep your number because we was chatting about a nice little turbo to bolt on the other side.
Yeah, that'll make it proper bit of kit then.
I just had a little drive then and it was cool, but turbo would be
Yeah.
like next level.
Different beast than it is, yeah.
Yeah, wicked. We'll get it loaded on the trailer and we'll catch you guys again, I'm sure, in the near future, mate.
Yeah, awesome.
Wicked.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.
Sweet.
Rob, I know I bought this new engine cream, but I didn't expect you to be the first one to use it. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just changing the coolant hose.
Oh, okay.
But I've got to take the engine out to do it.
Why?
Because it's easy access, isn't it?
No, you have the whole bottom. You don't even have an under tray on this thing. What's going on?
So
Because it was running last time I come in.
it was running, and it was running very well. And then I had a slight technical issue.
Which was...
It was running, and it sounded mediocre, sounded all right.
Yeah.
And then it just went
Ah,
and stopped. So
so you broke something.
something has gone a little bit sideways, I think, or up, down, left, right. I think it's oil related.
As in starvation related.
Well, possibly. So it could be an oil pump, it could be the pickup,
Yeah.
but the only option is to get the engine out. So
Right.
here we are.
Not even on the road, and the
No.
engine is coming out.
I had one drive of about 5 minutes in a private industrial estate.
Did it feel good?
Felt amazing. Like, absolutely loved it. And then got it home and kabang.
See, I think you're lying because I've not even seen it running. So
No, well, you've seen some videos of.
yeah,
We overlaid some sound and some
right.
rolling it.
Come on then, let's get this thing out.
It went easy in on a live, so fingers crossed it comes out easy on a video.
Right, do you want to go around the other side because that's the side closest to
The
touching.
tunnel. So
Right,
let's have the joys of getting out. I thought the only time this would come out is when we turbo it.
right. Mind that. Give it a push over that way a little bit.
But
just
it's
'cause
not-
of that brake switch.
It's not going to be turbojet.
Right. Do you want to try and give it a little shunt forward? Remember, the gearbox is going to want to drop down afterwards.
Yeah, go on.
We're moving the whole car. Do you want to go down a little bit first?
Yeah. Now try and come forward. Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
better.
Right, let me come up and you pull forward at the same time. That's loose.
Engine is out. Gearbox oil is all over the floor. Which I'm gonna have
So we're going to need some new
some new tiles again.
new tiles, new gearbox oil.
I'm a bit gutted because the garage was absolutely mint, and now it's not. But
But yeah, we're
There we
going to load the engine up onto Rob's van
yep.
and take it to the engine builders and strip it apart and see what
Yeah.
failed.
Yeah, so we're gonna get it onto the stand, get it totally stripped down, try and find the failure point, try and see what the reason was. It could be an oil pump, could be the pickup pipe, could just be a blockage in one of the vanes because it is a 25-year-old engine. We don't know. It was running good, and then I think it lost oil pressure, and then that was it. Engine, off we go.
Yeah, the engine
But
left the building.
While
Right.
we're there, we might chuck some rods in it. We might do a little bit more work, so a boundary oil pump, and then that's ready for future-proof turboing. Not what I intended, but I did like to get through IVA first.
Yeah, so we could actually use it, but then to be fair, the weather's garbage
Yeah,
anyway.
look,
so.
it's raining and it's April, so yeah, hopefully it won't be too long at the engine builders, but you never know. It is what it is, it's the heart of the car. When we've spent so much money and time and love getting it to how it is, then why skimp on this lovely little piece?
Yeah.
But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you've loved it. Stay tuned because it's going to be an interesting journey now. But
Roller
yeah,
coaster. Right.
we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye for now, guys.